seventh grade, team 1. Okay, I'm going to try this a little bit different today, and I'm going to have me be down here in the corner while I go through the Google form that Mrs. Witkop posted. So, question number 1, the 7th grade class held a Christmas dance. Of the 300 7th graders, 246 decided to attend. What percent of the 7th grade class attended the Christmas dance? Here's how I set up my proportion. So it says of, remember, the of is on the bottom. So of the 300, 246 decided to attend. So 246 is my part, 300 is my whole. I want to find the percentage. You're going to cross multiply. 300x equals 246 times 100. You're just going to multiply those two numbers. You're going to multiply the 246 times the 100. When I do that, I get 24,600. We have been solving equations enough this year that you should know that next you need to divide both sides by that 300. When you do that, you are going to get the x equals 82. Number 2 is going to be the same thing. 2 of the dozen eggs in a carton are cracked. About what percent of the carton is cracked? 2 of the 12, what percent? Cross multiply. I have 12x equals 100 times 2. When I multiply 100 times 2, I get 200. Just like this one, we need to divide by the number with the variable. And this isn't going to be a nice even number. We get 16 2/3, which on the calculator is 16.6 repeating. That's about 17%. Number 3, Travis is reading a novel for English class. He has read 173 out of 400 pages. About what percent of the book must Travis read in order to finish? I'm not going to do this whole problem. Same exact thing as the others. Cross multiply 480x equals 173 times 100. You should be able to finish it from there. Next one, a recipe for lemonade punch calls for 6 cups of lemonade for every 24 cups of punch. What proportion can be used to find x? 6 over 24. I want to know the proportion. That one's pretty straightforward. 6 over 24 equals x over 100. Okay, number 5 and 6 are very similar. Number 5, 72 is what percent of 64? 72 is what percent of 64? Pay attention to that is and of. Okay, what percent is going to be my x? And because it's a percent, I know it has to go over 100. And it says of 64, so I know that number needs to go on the bottom. You are going to cross multiply. 64x equals 72 times 100. 64x equals 7,200. Divide both sides by 64. And you're going to get 112.5. Okay, last one. Again, pay attention to the is and the of. 18 is 12% of what number? Whenever I see that percent, I know it needs to go over 100. Of what number? That's going to be my x, and I know my of is on the bottom, which means my 18 needs to go on top, and that makes sense also because right here I have that is right after the 18. You're just going to do this one exactly like you've done the rest. 12x equals 100 times 18, and then divide, and you will get your answer. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. Happy Thursday. It looks like we have mostly sunny skies today. Try getting outside, doing something, no hanging out with friends, maintain 6 feet away from other people, but still try to get outside and enjoy the weather. Have a great Thursday. Bye.